healthy nature and thriving biodiversity are essential to ending that triple planetary crisis, the crisis of climate change, the crisis of nature and biodiversity loss, and yes, the crisis of pollution and waste. And that's why the world has united under the UN Decade of Ecosystem Restoration to bring back nature to full health. With 7 years left in the decade, I'm really pleased to announce that today we are adding 7 new initiatives as UN World Restoration Flagships and offer them the support of the UN system and the Decade partners. The initiatives are, and here I ask for a drum roll please, Acción Andina, Restoring Andean Forests, the Terai Arc Landscape in Nepal, Natural Mangrove Regeneration in Sri Lanka, African Farmers Transforming Food Systems, Regreening Africa, the Living Indus Initiative in Pakistan, and Restoring the Mediterranean Forests. My big congratulations and thanks to the new flagships, which joined those that we announced at the Convention on Biological Diversity at COP15 in Montreal in December 2022. Now, with a total of 17 flagships running and many other initiatives in full swing, there's real hope for the future of the planet. There's hope for the future of humanity. And there's hope for the teeming biodiversity that makes our home, planet Earth, an oasis of life in the empty vastness of space.